Hello YouTube, this is Stepboy Seal and today I'm making a gameplay of Assassin's Creed 3. Enjoy. And by the way, I'm new on YouTube for people that don't know me, so subscribe. I'm not English, but okay. I'm doing a naval mission now. Later I'm going to Boston if you like to oversnow. Yeah, I don't like this shit. Actually, I hate boats. It's fun, but I hate it. Look how fast it's filming. Neem het roer in handen. Okay. If you want me to. Look how beautiful this suit is. I don't like the hat. Look at the guns. Guns and roses. Okay, where the fuck am I supposed to go? I love the graphics of this game. Wait a second. I think I'm gonna bump into the rocks. Fuck this. I'm going to Boston. If you like, I can make a walkthrough too, with commentary and stuff. Tell me in comments if I need to, or it's not necessary. I don't know, it's up to you. Okay, I just pressed the wrong button. I'm playing on Xbox 360, by the way. Okay. Let's go to New York for once. I never go there. I actually never go there. I always go to Boston. I like that place. It's my bird city. Almost. Yeah. Almost. And what I like about New York, I think there's still like redcoats. I don't know for sure, but I think they are. Or only a frontier. If I don't care anyways. If I just can kill someone, it's alright with me. Alright. What I hate about New York is that there are not so much enemies, like, bitch, fuck you. Look at his head. Holy shit. That was so fucking funny. That was funny. Look. Like a teen or something. Go up, man. Go fly. Fly. Where are they? Ooh. I'm like Spider-Man or something. Oh yeah. Let's hang someone. Oh shit, we can't. Let's find a pole or anything. Which direction you going? Oh, alright. Let's get ready. I think I'm gonna kill them with bare hands. That's fun. Ooh, that was fucking awesome. What the heck? You see I'm busy, motherfucker? What the heck did I just do? Holy. Wait, this is gonna be funny. People screaming. Struggle mine. But what the heck am I doing here? Fuck it, wrong shit. Okay, bare hands. What the heck you are? Piss off. You see I'm busy? Smackdown! Boff! Head punch! Falcon punch! Look, look, look. Vzruda! Oh, what the heck? I just stepped on his head. Come at me, bro. I love this musket. Look how they kill. Finish him! What the heck you doing? Shit, Jagger. Yo, get the fuck out. Oh, Puff. Holy shit. Holy shit. What the heck, man? Fuck this musket. Now let's talk business, motherfuckers. Whee! What the heck? Oh no, shit, this shit has got real. Let me get my tomahawk. Fuck it. No! I hate this shit. Less shit. Fuck it, man. Fuck you. Fuck you, my dog. Fucking hate this shit. They keep shooting at